St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, and this is class 5, chapter number 5, table in MS Word. See, today we will learn about how to insert table in MS Word and how to edit them. So, let's see how to start MS Word. For that, click on Start button. When we click on Start button, a list bar will display on the monitor screen of the left side. After then, click on All Program. When we click on All Program, list bar will display. After then, click on Microsoft Office. When we click on Microsoft Office, a list bar will display and all the applications which are in the Microsoft Office all will display on the right side of the Start button option. After then, see, we are going to do work on MS Word. So in this PC there is Microsoft Word Office. See, Office package of 2007. So click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. If in your PC there is 2010 and other, then click on there and it will work the same. So let's learn what are the components of the window of this window. For this, click on this area is called title bar. Title bar area is used to show the application's name and document name. See, Microsoft Word is this application and document 1 is the file name. When we save this file, it will show file name will show over here. So let's see. This area is called tab or command bar. These are all the options of home tab. And this area is also called as ribbon bar. See, this one is ruler. This one is horizontal ruler. This one is vertical ruler. After then, this area is called status bar. Status bar area is used to display the status of the current file. See, suppose page 1, we have taken page 1 and we have write this types of word. See, from here we can see how many page we have taken in this file. From here we can see that how many words we have written, and from here we can change the others. So let's see, this one is pop-up. This one is horizontal pop-up and this one is vertical pop-up. These see, its work is page up to down and page left to right. After then, this area is called document area. MS Word is used to make the document and we can type the letters, resume and other applications. See, we are going to do the work which is inserting the table. Today we will learn how to insert the table and how can we format it. A table represents the data in the form of rows and columns. See, vertical line is called column, horizontal lines are called rows, and combination of row and column is called as cells. So let's see how to insert it. Click on Insert tab. When we click on Insert tab, ribbon will show all the item will show in the ribbon which are in the Insert tab. So first of all, let's learn what are the features of these. Cover page used to insert the page in the cover format. Blank page is used to insert the blank page. Page break is used to start the next page at the current position. After then, by table option, we can insert lots of types of table. Picture option is used to insert the picture from pictures. Like this, we can insert the picture. After the clip art is used to insert the clip art, all the pictures which are in the Microsoft Office. We can insert it like this. After then, shapes is used to insert the different type of shape. For inserting shape, click on shape. After then, select any shape and it will insert it. and drag that shape on the area. After then smart art is used to insert the other art. If you want to make any project and other work, then you can do it from here. After the chart is used to insert the selected format into the chart. By it we can insert lots of chart. See, here are lots of chart: pie chart, bar chart, area chart, stock, surface and other. After the hyperlink is used to create a link to a web page. We can linking it from the web page. After the bookmark, suppose you want to create a bookmark to assign a name to a specific point in a document. So we can do it from cross reference. It refers to items such as heading, figures and table by inserting a cross reference. After that, header and footer. See, header and footer work just like that. Suppose we are going to write any application, on the header we have to write the application's reason. After that, in the footer we write our name and address and all. So header look on the top of the page and footer is appear on the bottom of the page. After that, page number. See, if we are going to make huge amount of data and we are taking lots of pages, so that we have to insert the page numbers also. Text box, insert the performance text boxes. After then, quick part insert reusable pieces of content. After then, word art is used to insert decorative text in our document. Suppose we have taken this word art and we type like this. After then, click on over here and that selected matter will inserted in this style. After then, signature, if you have made any letter or application, you can give the signature of yours from here. If you want to insert the date and time into the text or document, then you can do it from here. And object, you can insert an embedded objects. After the equation, through equation we can insert lots of types of equations like biometrical theorem, expansion of sum, area of circle, like this. And symbol is used to insert the symbols which are not in our keyboard. Suppose you want to insert this one, then it will show over here. It will be inserted. So let's come to the point. Today we will learn about table. So click over here. We can insert table by many ways. So a table is an let's see how to insert. First of all, we will learn how using the table button. So we will for using the table button, click on insert. After then, table icon will show in the in the ribbon bar. After then, click over here. When we click over here, see, we can insert the table by selecting the rows and column like this, and we can type the matter like this. After then, we can insert the table by the insert table option. When we click on insert table option, suppose you want to insert lots of columns, so give here number of columns. Suppose you want to insert 7 columns, and we have to give here rows number. Suppose we want to 5 rows, so click here. After then, click on OK. See, this row and column will appear over here. After then, draw table is used to draw the table wherever you want to draw. For that, click on draw table option. After then, drag the click over here and drag the mouse pointer from here to here, or whichever size you want, you can do it from here. After then, Excel spreadsheet. See, we can insert Excel spreadsheet also from the Excel. It will work like this, and we can do on the Excel sheet. It's too amazing, na? After then, let's do another work. Quick table. Quick table is used to insert the table quickly. Quickly means जल्दी से. ये already formed रहती है, so that click over here, choose any format, whichever format you want, and click over here. That format will display on the document area. After then, you can choose any style or table grade, and we can insert in our desired color date. Okay, after then let's learn what are the features to decorate or format our table. For that, click on start. After then, insert the table. The table will display. See, header row. Header row, current row. Which row is placed on the top of the table? That row is called header row. And which row is in appear on the down of the table? That row is called footer. After then, total row. How many rows are here? Branded rows. First column, see, we have clicked over here, so it is showing over here like this. After this, shading, we can make shade from here. It will show the background of the cell in colored format. After then, using insert table. Now let's see how can we add the data into the cell. So click over here, enter the data. See, we can enter the data very easily by clicking any cell where we want to insert it. So for that, click on first cell and type the data. After then, click on next cell. See, we can use the arrow keys also for shifting the another cell. So click over here. After then, just minute. See, we can insert the data into the cell like this to select the item. See, let's see how to select any column. So, if you want to select this column, for that click over here and it will select it. Select the column and row. Suppose you want to select any row, for that click over here. Whole row will get selected, and we can select it by clicking over here like this, by dragging the mouse pointer. After then, let's see inserting a row and column into the table. We can insert row and column. Suppose we have created like this and we want one more column in this table. So click on the table where you want to insert. After then, click on insert. Suppose you want to insert column to the left side. For that, click on left side. See, left side, a new column will get inserted. Suppose you want to insert from right side, a column will get inserted. Suppose we want to insert a row over here. For that, click on insert. After then, click on insert cell. And we can insert a cell. It will appear like this. Suppose you want to insert whole row over here. Then select that row. After then, right click of the mouse. After then, click on insert row. When we click on insert, a list bar will display. After then click on, suppose you want to insert row above of the selected row, then click over here. If you want to select the row below of the selected row, then right click over here, click on insert, list bar will display. After then click on insert row below. When we will click on insert row below, then a blank row will inserted below of the selected row. After then how to delete? Let's see merging and splitting cells. See, let's learn how to merge the cell. For that, merge means होता है जोड़ना. Now see how to merge cell. See, for merging the cell, select the entire row or any two or more than two rows. After then, right click over here. Then a list bar will display on the document area. After then, click on merge cell. See, when we click on merge cell, all the cells will be in the one cell. After that, we can display the item or text in the center also. After then, splitting cell. For splitting the cell, see, suppose you split means making parts. So, suppose you want to split it into the three parts. For that, click over here and right click on the mouse. After then, click on split the cell. Split cell. When we will click on split cell, a list small box will appear over here. Suppose you want to split it into the three parts. So, click on three parts, number of column, and into the two rows. In it, there will be three parts and two rows will appear. After then, let's see how to format a table. How can we format a table? For that, select the table. After then, click on layout tab. After then, see what are the other options in it. So, click on AutoFit. AutoFit contents will appear. See, it will fit it in the according to the text. After then, just see, select the current cell or row. By this icon, you can select the current row. View grid line. Grid line is used to see the grid lines in the show or hide the grid line within table. Properties. This open the table properties dialog box to change advanced table properties such as indentation and text wrapping. After then, delete. Delete is used to delete row, column, cell or the entire table. By this option, we can delete entire table. See, suppose you want to delete the cell. Suppose you want to delete this cell, then click on delete cell. Shift cell left. It will delete them. After then, delete column. Delete column is used to delete the entire column. After then, delete row. Suppose you want to delete this row, then click on the delete row. When you will click on delete row, all the selected row will get deleted. After then, delete table. See, by choosing delete table option, we can delete the entire table. After then, insert above. Insert rows. We can insert the row on the top or selected row. Suppose you want to insert a row above of this row, then click over here, a new row will display over here. Suppose you want to display over here, then click over here and it will display the new row. After that, insert below. By clicking on insert below, we can insert a new row below of the selected row. After that, insert left. Suppose you want to insert from left, then click over here wherever you want to insert. After then, click on left. left side row will display. After then, suppose you want to insert on the right side, then a right side row, suppose entire column will insert it. After then, how many? Ma'am, just wait, let me finish. 10 minutes. Okay. After the split option, I already told you that this option is used to split the selected row into many columns and rows, like this. After then, height. Suppose you want to change the height of the row, then click over here and it will change, and you can see the changes on the screen. After then, we can make it like this, and bid is also used to change the bid of the selected row or cell. Distribution row, it is used to distribute the selected row, and we can see the changes from here also. Now let's come on the alignment of the table. See, we can make changes of alignment of the text like this. See, changes are showing on the screen. You can see from here. After this cell merging, we want to merge cell more than 2. For that, more than 1, for that select the cell and click over here. After then, click on merge the cell. Selected cell will merge into one cell. We can do it from here also. Next, sort and filter. Sort and filter is used to insert the serial number or any alphabetical into the alphabetical order in ascending to descending and descending to ascending. See, rest I will let you know in our next video. So, thanks for watching and keep learning.